This is your tapping dies. It's the people just don't need it anymore. This box right here has got 3 drawers. These will go back in there. All these drawers will go back in there just like it is, and that's what you'll get. These slide out. I just want to pull them out so you can see them. This here will fit in there. This is, I mean, there's probably nothing here that don't cost many dollars. You got a hand bit there for it. You got this here is new. These are new here too. There's 3 of them in here. Here you go. All those goes. It's a nice bunch of stuff. Got all kinds of threads. I'll show you some of them here. Video that.